Hey everybody, welcome back to Vic's Tips and Tricks. So what I have here is a home that used to have shingles. And when it had shingles, we had rain gutters that ran all along here to take care of the water. Now, I've changed it over to a metal roof, and then within the last 5 years, the water that has come off has dropped down and has now made a path into my basement. And it's been doing it for the last 2 years. So I've devised a way to stop the water from coming into my basement without having to put up rain gutters. Because if you put up rain gutters where you live in winter conditions, the ice will build up on the edges and it will rip your rain gutters off. So what I've done here is a ground gutter is what we're going to call it. And you're going to do basically the same thing as you would if it was up on the roof. And you're going to start your high point, which would be over in this corner. It's covered up in plastic. And you're going to gradually make it so that the water will run downward. And as you can see, it goes out around my steps, and I'll take you over there in a second, and it runs out and then into the lawn. So all I've done is dug down in the ground here. I've run plastic from the house out, and the gutter itself sits in this groove. And what I'm going to do, and you see we've already started, is I have a screen that's going over the top of the gutter, plastic on both sides, and rock. And that way there, everything that falls off the roof is going to land and fall into the gutter. And over here, it runs through this hole, and buried underneath, you can see there's a pipe that comes out around the step. And then the pipe travels out around, and it's going to run into another gutter, which isn't placed in yet. Screen's going to be placed over all that. It's going to run all the way down until you get here to the end of my property. I'll show you. Just ran all the way out to this spot. And what you can't see right here is under the ground right there is a 10-gallon pail with holes in it. And the water will run in and it will seep out of that bucket very slowly and keep water from coming back into the house. So that's just an idea for anybody out there that does not want to hang gutters on the house. Okay, everybody, hope you liked. If you liked the video, give it a like, subscribe, hit the little bell for notifications, and stick around for some more helpful videos. See you, everybody.